Another noisy game, I'm afraid. We've added a lovely woodpecker game to our toddler range this year. Yeah, this is lovely because it's a hammer game. So it's quite simple and straightforward. You just bash the cheeky little balls and then they fall through the exit here. Now the factory have really excelled themselves this year because they've produced this gorgeous conical shape and structure that is just like a tree trunk. And these are the cheeky little worms. So there you go, bash away.